Welcome to the fifth and last chapter of this module, which is called Vector Calculus. This chapter only has one section, 5.1, which is called Gradient, Divergence, and Curl. Okay? As a quick introduction, I will say that vector calculus is simply the study of vector fields and scalar fields and how to do differential operations with them, okay, such as derivatives, the gradient, the divergence, and the curl. These are some operations that you will learn about that can be applied to vector and scalar fields. They are extremely useful in physics and engineering. For example, they are used continuously in Maxwell's equations. They are used to study gravitational fields. They are used to study fluid flow. So you can see it has many different applications, okay? Now, one nice thing of this chapter is that it's really visual, and it's actually quite beautiful to see the things that you are doing, okay? So on one side, we have the visualization and understanding of the concepts, and on the other side, we have the computation or calculation of the concepts. So one thing is to visualize and understand the curl, and another thing is to calculate it, okay? So I really wanted to do some nice visualizations, but then I figured out that actually, no matter how much effort I put into it, the best I can ever hope to do has already been done by a YouTube channel, which I love, which is called 3 Blue 1 Brown. So as the starting video for this chapter, I'm going to link to you to a video by 3 Blue 1 Brown where he describes gradient, divergence, and curl. Okay, he does beautiful visualizations. He doesn't go into the calculation of it. So after seeing those visualizations from this YouTube video, I will cover all of the actual calculations and definitions and more formal mathematics. Okay, so that's great. Also, I would like to point out that even though this chapter has only 5.1, there is a hidden 5.2, which I can show you here. So this hidden 5.2 is an optional chapter. It's not included in the exam, so if you are not interested, forget about it. But I think it has the most beautiful results of vector calculus, which is Gauss's theorem and Stokes' theorem. They are really beautiful. Also the continuity equations. And it's a shame that these topics are not included on first year maths because they follow directly from what I will teach you now. You will study them on second year, but I couldn't resist like creating some nice visualizations and explanations for them. So if you're interested, you can go to the kids page and there is a section in optional materials where you will see this secret chapter 5.2 called Further Vector Calculus, okay? And as I said, you will see things like the Stokes theorem, the Gauss's theorem, and the continuity equation. But these things, don't worry, you will have to deal with them next year. They are beautiful and they are very useful, okay? So with that said, I think this is it for the induction. See you in the next video and enjoy the chapter. Thank you very much.